Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chainbank token. Now the Chainbank token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This is an ICO. Name of the token is Chainbank, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now we're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it. We're also going to look for any audits, check for red flags, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is chainbank.network. Over there you can find a full white paper. In the top right hand corner of the screen it says Get Chainbank. All over the place basically on the webpage is Get Chainbank buttons that you can click on to get involved with the pre-sale. It says early access to Chainbank tokens. Go to the Chainbank pre-sale. So when you click on that, it'll take you over to a different page, chainbank.network/buy-token. And it shows the price of the token. It's got a countdown until the next round. It says so far they've raised $1,043,000 US. So they're doing very well according to their webpage here. So basically you would need like a wallet, like a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. And you could fund that wallet with ETH, BNB, USDT, Sol, and then there's a ton of other cryptos too, like Polygon, Base, AVAX, etc. So you choose which crypto. Let's say you chose ETH, so you'd fund your wallet with ETH, and you could fund your wallet from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. And you would punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Chainbank tokens you get for that amount. And then basically you click purchase, and then when the pre-sale's over, you claim your tokens. Now you can find this token on coinsniper.net. It says it's on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a full audit by Solid Proof that you could check out there. And their pre-sale started November 19th. And goes all the way till January 30th. So you've got a lot of time to go check out this pre-sale before it ends. So it says here, Chainbank is an advanced Web3 neobank crafted to revolutionize digital finance by merging traditional banking capabilities with blockchain technology. Our platform provides a seamless, intuitive experience for users to manage both digital and fiat currencies. Through innovative solutions like instant crypto to fiat conversions and multi-chain support, Chainbank is setting a new standard for secure and efficient global financial transactions. Our mission is to democratize access to financial services by leveraging blockchain's transparency and efficiency. We aim to empower users by eliminating barriers between crypto and fiat worlds, providing a platform that prioritizes ease of use, security, and financial freedom. Our vision is to create a fully integrated financial ecosystem where every user can effortlessly navigate the complexities of digital finance. So in a nutshell, that's what the project is all about here. Now they do have a Telegram. You could follow the Telegram at Chainbank app. Has 3,777 members, 451 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project here. So it says, secure your Chainbank before it's too late. Chainbank is the native utility token of Chainbank, designed to power our ecosystem and offer users exclusive benefits. Discover new opportunities with our Chainbank card. So they have this card here that you can get, and it says stake your Chainbank tokens and earn passive income, not only from our network rewards, but also from Chainbank's profit sharing program. A portion of the neobank's profits will be redistributed to stakers, giving you additional revenue streams. Stake and earn with profit sharing. They have lower fees, so save on transaction fees when using Chainbank tokens for payments and accessing premium features at a reduced cost. And you can earn rewards with every purchase. When you use your Chainbank card, you can earn cash back in Chainbank tokens on every transaction, whether online or in store, giving you more value with each purchase. Be part of the payment revolution. So they have an affiliate program. You could sign up for a newsletter with your email if you want to receive updates. They have a media kit that you could check out. And they have a roadmap here as well. And it starts with team formation, architecture, design, and specs, regulatory compliance, Chainbank token presale, affiliate program, smart contract audit, MVP app, loyalty program, virtual card, multi-chain expansion, Web3 wallet, AI analytics, DeFi integration, Telegram mini app, AI credit and savings products, Chainbank business. It says the roadmap timelines are estimates and may change due to external influences. The provided dates are purely indicative. Now it says, it's a lifestyle, exclusive offers and deals. Become an early investor in Chainbank and secure your stake in the future of decentralized finance. Now, there is a link to their audit here that we could check out here by Solid Proof. So it says that they have, let's scroll down here. So this is on the Binance Smart Chain. It does verify that there. And it says, no critical issues found. Contract owner cannot mint new tokens. Contract owner cannot blacklist addresses. Contract owner cannot set high fees. Contract cannot be locked, cannot burn tokens, and ownership is renounced. They do have one informational issue and two optimization issues. So it's not a perfect audit. The big things are checked off, but there is 3 smaller warnings there in the audit. And when there's warnings, there is risk. So definitely be aware of that and make sure you thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token or any token, really. But yeah, just be aware that there is those warnings there. So you want to definitely be careful. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.